All right, so let's have a look at question 38 from the Standard 2 2024 paper. We are told a cake is constructed using a cylinder and a cone-shaped top. So let's draw our cylinder, looks like this. And let's draw our cone-shaped top, and let's draw them separate. So it looks like this. We're told the cylinder has diameter 30. So the whole distance across is 30, and the height is 6. We are told that the ratio of the volume of the cylinder to the volume of the cone is 5 to 1. So that means the cylinder is 5 times larger than the cone. The cake is to be cut into equal slices with volume 212 centimeters cubed. How many slices can be cut? All right. Well, the only thing we can find the volume of is the cylinder. So let's do that first. So volume of a cylinder is equal to pi r squared h. So the radius here will be 15. So we want pi times 15 squared times 6. And I'm going to decimal approximate this. Pi times 15 squared times 6 is 4241. 4241.15. 15. Two decimal places. Two decimal places should be fine for this question. Now, we were told this important detail here. The ratio of volume of the cylinder to the volume of the cone-shaped top is 5 to 1. That means if we've got the volume of the cylinder, divide it by 5, and that will give you the volume of the cone on the top because it's 5 to 1. So if we divide this by 5, this will give us the volume of the cone. So the answer we just got divided by 5 is 848.23. 848.23 to two decimal places. The total volume, which we'll call TV, is the sum of the two. So this is volume cylinder plus volume of the cone. This is 4241.15 plus 848.23. So this is 4241.15 plus 848.23. I get 5,089.38. 5,089.38. So that's the whole volume. We're told it's going to be cut into equal slices where the volumes are 212 each. So divide the total volume by the volume of each slice, 2 on 2. This should give us the number of slices. So the number of slices is 5089.38 divided by 212. My calculator tells me that this is 24.0065 ... So if the cake is to be cut into equal slices of volume 212, you'll get 24 and a little bit based on this calculation. So the full number of slices is actually 24. And this is the solution to this question. The real trick of this question was converting the ratio to find the equivalent volume. And that is somewhat challenging to do, but if you're told the full volume of the cylinder, divide it by whatever its ratio component is, divide it by 5, multiply whatever the cone ratio is. So if it was 5 to 2, you divide it by 5, multiply it by 2, and that would give you the cone. So here it was just dividing it by 5, adding it together, dividing it by the slice volume, and that gave you the total number of slices that you could make. So this is the answer to question 38.